Hi Atlas, welcome back to another video. I'm very happy to share with you this video, an amazing way that I have learned to use fenugreek. As you all know, fenugreek is one of my favorite Ayurvedic herbs because it has so much properties that I think is essential for thin, fine, natural hair. Fenugreek is good in thickening your hair. It contributes to hair growth. It stops your hair from shedding. It adds moisture. It adds shine. It helps when you have scalp issues and so forth and so forth. And this is just a few of the amazing benefits that it has for your hair. So in this video, we are going to make fenugreek hair paste. Fenugreek is also very versatile. You can use it as an oil, you can use it as a hairspray, you can add it directly to your herbs and use it to your hair, or you can use it as a hair paste to add it into your conditioners or to use it directly on your hair. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created the hair paste. So what you're going to need is a container where you're going to put 2 tablespoons of fenugreek in and add water to it. It doesn't matter the amount of water you add, just try to fill the container up as much as you can with water and let the water stay overnight. Let it soak the water, let it hydrate so that it gets soft for what we are going to do. So as you can see, this is my hydrated fenugreek seeds, and this is what I'm going to use to make the fenugreek paste. There are multiple ways that you can see that the fenugreek are hydrated. You can see that the fenugreek is way more thicker. You can see that the fenugreek in the water has swollen up a lot more than the dry fenugreek, and that's how you know that your fenugreek is ready to be used. So let's go ahead and do it. So the little bit of water on top of the fenugreek, you can use it as a fenugreek hairspray, or you can add it in the hair paste that we are going to make. So basically what you're going to do is going to transfer the fenugreek into a blender. And as I mentioned, you're just going to add the water to it and blend it at first. So you're going to blend it for about a minute, and this is how it should look like after you blend it for a minute. You will notice that the fenugreek is going to increase in getting thicker and thicker, so you will need to add more water and other things. So after the first time of blending, it's going to look very grainy. So I went ahead and add some olive oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. You can use coconut oil or any other carrier oil that you prefer. And I also added some water to it. The exact recipe will be in my recipe book. The link will be in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you already have the recipe book, I will send you an updated version when all the recipes are ready. So like I said, you are going to add some water until you get the right texture that you're looking for. After that, you go ahead and strain it. I strained mine 2 times, but I really don't think it was necessary. I found out later that the second time of me straining it was really not necessary. So you can go ahead and strain yours one, as long as you are using a panty hole, and make sure that you do not have holes in your panty hole. Otherwise, you're going to have grainy fenugreek paste, and that is what we don't want. If you don't strain it out with a panty hole, then all the grain is going to get stuck in your hair, and that is really a pain to get it out. I experienced it recently with my daughter's hair, and that was like really terrible. I don't experience that with my hair, maybe because my hair is thin and fine. But when I use fenugreek powder on my daughter's hair directly with other herbs, I experienced that the fenugreek got stuck in her hair. So it's really important. This step is really important. That is what helps to make your fenugreek look nice and creamy and pudding-like and all those things. It's really just amazing. So as you can see, I went ahead and strained it 2 times. Like I said, The second time was just really easy, and I really think this step is not necessary. But if you find the need to do it, then by all means you should go ahead and do it. So that is pretty much it. After that, you are going to transfer it into a container, obviously, and then you can go ahead and use it directly on your hair, or you can use it in a conditioner just to give the conditioner extra slip when you're going to deep condition your hair, or when you're going to detangle your hair. You can also use it in a pre-poo, or you can add it to your Ayurvedic herbs. The possibilities is really endless here. That's why I love making fenugreek paste. So you can just transfer it into your container and keep it in the fridge for about 7 days. Some people say you can keep it longer than 7 days, but I like to keep it safe. So keep it just for 7 days. And if you know you're not going to use everything, you can also put it in some ice cubes and freeze it up. And each time you need it, you just take one ice cube out and use it for your hair. You can use the leftover grain as a body scrub. It makes your body really soft and supple, so you don't have to throw it away or waste it. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. So like I mentioned before, the exact measurements and everything will be in my recipe book. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.